Pag ganito na yung tartar natin, hindi na siya nahuhulog, okay na siya, perfect na siyang tartar. Gamit ako ng flour. 2 cup yung flour na gamit ko. Kalahating cup na evap milk. Ako ng egg yolk 1 cup na sugar. 1 kutsarang baking powder. 1 kutsarang vanilla. 1 teaspoon na salt. Then, mix lang banana at saka yung dragon fruit. Mix lang natin to hanggang sa mag-combine yung mga ingredients. So, nahalo na natin. Lagay na natin yung tartar. Yung tartar ilalagay natin para maging fluffy yung ating gagawin. So, mix lang natin to. Ito yung ating cupcake. Banana with dragon fruit cupcake. Cake paper sa para hindi siya dumikit. And ito yung cake, banana cake with dragon fruits. Pananin lang natin para things ng walnuts. Ayan. Then, para may decorate naman yung ating cake with walnuts. Ayan, healthy yung ating chocolate for today's vlog. Gawin na natin yan.
So, let's bake this to 45 minutes in 175 degrees. Bake this in preheated oven.
It's already done na yung cake. Ito yung banana, dragon fruits with walnuts and the toppings cake. Ayan. Fluffy siya. So, ayan na. Fluffy siya. Kain. This is fluffy. Yummy cake. Walnuts. I love walnuts. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. And follow my TikTok. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket and my TikTok shop. Thank you. Enjoy shopping.